Hello, Bekka here. I'm here to empower you with knowledge of a natural health lifestyle. And today we're going to talk about 5 top teas to boost your immune system. Of course, we all know that teas are refreshing, but did you know that herbal teas are beneficial for your health? Yep, that's right. Herbal teas are loaded with beneficial nutrients, but they also are 0 calories, so you can enjoy as many cups as you like without the guilt throughout the day. Plus, there is a plethora of herbs that can be used as a tea, so I am sure that you will find the taste that will suit your taste buds for the day. So today I want to give you my list of top 5 immune boosting herbs that can be used as teas. The first tea that I would like to talk about is black tea. Black tea has a strong, distinctive taste that can be enjoyed hot or cold, and you can drink it with or without the extras like honey or in any type of cream. There are 2 main reasons why I say black tea is good for immune boosting health. First, it keeps you hydrated, protecting you against dehydration, which is the #1 cause of daytime fatigue. Secondly, it contains high levels of flavonoids, which are powerful phytonutrients. These are chemical compounds that protect you against the beasties that go after weak bodies and weak immune systems. So be sure to grab you a glass of black tea. The next tea is green tea. Green tea is probably the most popular tea in the health and fitness circle. It is regularly praised for its strong antioxidant contents and cancer-fighting properties. It has a light taste, which is both unique and refreshing. Like black tea, green tea is very hydrating, and it is packed full of those flavonoids. So drink up. Number 3 is ginger tea. Ginger is an herbal infusion that utilizes the power of ginger to boost your health. It has a warm, spicy flavor and is a great choice to clear your throat and chest congestion. It's just that easy. Hot water and some ginger, let it steep. Though ginger is not technically a legitimate tea, it is an herbal infusion that does not minimize its ability to supply your body with all sorts of vitamin minerals that it needs to boost your immune system. Our next tea is elderberry tea. Elderberry is one of those herbs that are known to not only boost your immune system, but helps you heal as you fight off bacterial and viral infections. There has been numerous studies on the effectiveness of elderberry for your immune system. Definitely an herb that you might want to give a try. Let's go on to our last herb. Yep, this one is just about ready. This herb is peppermint herbal teas. While peppermint is known for its refreshing flavor, it is a great go-to herb for your health. Peppermint has antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties and is known to improve your energy levels and reduce daytime fatigue. The bottom line is peppermint is a delicious, naturally sweet, caffeine-free beverage that you can safely consume, whether it is with the intentions of boosting your immune health or just enjoying its great taste. With drinking herbal teas, there are a plethora of ways of enjoying them. You can buy ready-made herbal teas at the store. You can make your own with loose leaf and some throwaway bags. You can use tea balls. And then there's also herbal teas that are blended for specific things, like this one is blended to breathe easier, which they're individually packed. You can take a couple of packages with you in your purse, or throw them in your bag as you leave the house. Teas don't have to be from a leaf either. As the ginger, as you saw with ginger, it could be just as easy as cutting up ginger and some lemon, throwing it in some hot water and allowing it to steep. You can add honey or whatever flavoring that you want to add to it. Though I would recommend you just try them without adding things, because I am sure that you will find a taste that you enjoy. So in summary, by drinking herbal teas on a regular basis, you can enjoy a wide range of health benefits, including enhancing your energy levels, reducing your stress, and of course, boosting your immune system. So get that kettle going and brew up some herbal tea today. So what herbal teas are you going to start off with today? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, check out the link in the description section. I have a great resources for you about herbal teas. So go grab it today. And I will talk with you again soon. And until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on. That is some great tea.